Hi friends, welcome to Learn Programming. In this video, we are going to look what is an enum in Python and how can we create an enum and some of other cool features of enums. So basically, an enum is a data type which consists of predefined values. Suppose you want to create a data type which can only have certain number of values. So in such situations, you can use enums as the data type. So let's jump into coding and see how we can create an enum in Python. So basically, what you have to do is actually import the enum module, and you can create a class. So here we are creating a class named color, and which imports from enum, and here I am defining three colors because I need to have only three colors for the particular value. And first one is red and its value is given as 1, and the second one is green and its value is given as 2, and third one which is given as value 3. So these are the three values defined in the class color. So it is basically inherited from the enum class which is available in Python by default. So if you want to print the values, you can simply use the color class. Now in order to print the value, you can use a particular enum key. So here I am using the key blue, and dot value, you can just print the value for that. Here if you execute this code, the value will be 3. And now if you want to print the name of the key, you can just simply use color dot blue dot name. So this will print the name of that key, and if we execute the code, we will get 3 and the key name as key name in the name property, which is actually blue. Print all the keys and values, you can simply use the for loop. So here I am printing all the keys and values using a for loop. So in order to print that, you can simply use this for loop. So here we can print the name by e dot name and value by e dot value. So if we execute this code, you will get all the enum names and values in the loop. So that's how we can print all the enum keys and values. So another important property, so if you don't want to give this values manually, so suppose you have any number of keys there and you don't want to give manual values, you can use this auto property. There is an auto property available in enums. So using that, you can actually add that as well using this property. So if you give enum.auto here, it will actually automatically populate the value for that particular key. So this is an alternative way for giving value. So by this way, if we execute the code, we get the same output. It will automatically populate the values. So one thing to note that it will automatically avoid the duplicates. It will automatically give the values so that we don't have to worry about the value conflicts or something like that. It will automatically give the values upon adding the keys. So this is another cool feature available in enums. So suppose I want to give the remove the duplicates. For example, if I am adding another color, say gray, and if I have given the value 3, so as of now this code will work as it is because it currently allows adding duplicate values into the enums. So we have another option in order to prevent that situation. So using the enums unique decorator, we can prevent this situation. So in order to add that, you can add this enum dot unique decorator to the class. So if you add this and if I try to re-execute this code, I will get an error because this code we have duplicate values for blue and gray, which is 3. So if you want to unique values, always unique values in your enum class, you can use this unique feature, unique decorator in the class, so that you can guarantee that it will always have the unique set of values. So these are the topics that we'll discussed in this video. In the upcoming video we'll be discussing more topics. Stay tuned.